How to fix something went wrong on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a problem of something went wrong on Instagram. So all you need to do to fix this problem is first thing, clear cache of your Instagram. To do that, go to your setting and search for apps and click on manage apps. Search for Instagram and clear your cache. Okay, if this is still doesn't work, you need to go and make sure you have the latest version of your Instagram application. And if you still have a problem, delete your Instagram application and wait for a moment and install your application again. So, and this is how you're gonna fix this problem. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.